What if I told you there's a brand new OnePlus phone that just embarrassed some of the biggest flagships? Not with fancy cameras or gimmicks, but with pure power and a battery that sounds almost unreal? Yep, meet the OnePlus Ace 6, the phone that just went official alongside the OnePlus 15, and somehow it might actually steal the spotlight. Now, you might be thinking, wait, better than the OnePlus 15? Well, in some ways, absolutely yes. Let's talk about why this might just be one of the most impressive phones OnePlus has ever built. First, that battery. The Ace 6 packs a massive 7,800 milliampere-hour battery, one of the biggest we've ever seen on a flagship-tier smartphone. That's 500 milliampere-hours more than the OnePlus 15, and for comparison, even the Galaxy S25 Ultra can't come close. Samsung fans, look away. This thing is in a different league, and it's not just about size. OnePlus has paired that monster battery with 120-watt fast charging, meaning you can top it up from 0 to full in minutes. Combine that with OnePlus software optimization, and we're looking at one of the best battery experiences on any Android phone right now. But the Ace 6 isn't just a power bank with a screen. It's a full-fledged premium smartphone with specs that easily rival some of the most expensive devices out there. It features a 6.83-inch LTPO AMOLED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate and 2800 by 1270 to resolution. Yes, that's faster and sharper than most flagships. Under the hood, it runs on the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor, the same powerhouse chip found in the OnePlus 13, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM to a whopping 1 TB of storage. And for the camera setup, you're getting a 50-megapixel main sensor, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 16-megapixel front camera for selfies. Sure, it skips the triple camera setup of the OnePlus 15, but for everyday photography, it's more than capable. Build quality? Still premium. The phone is made of aluminum and glass, weighing just over 213 grams, and it feels every bit like a flagship in the hand. But here's the part that's blowing everyone's mind: the price. The OnePlus Ace 6 starts at just 2,599 yuan, which is roughly 365 United States dollars. Even the top model, with 16 GB RAM and 1 TB of storage, costs under $550. Let that sink in. A near flagship smartphone with a 7,800 milliampere-hour battery, 120-watt charging, a premium design, and a Snapdragon 8 Elite chip for less than the price of a mid-range Samsung or iPhone. It's wild. Now, yes, it's currently a China-only release. But if the Ace 6 or its global variant, likely the OnePlus 15R, launches internationally, it could easily become one of the best-selling phones of the year. So, what do you think? Would you pick the OnePlus Ace 6 over the OnePlus 15 if it launched globally? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit like, share it with your tech buddies, and subscribe for more updates on the latest smartphone launches. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.